Obviously one of the toughest places to play, and obviously the travel is quite a big trip. So, really get off to a good start. The next round of Eurocup. Eurocup. Edit.
У нас был большой перерыв, конечно, было страшно, что мы не играли довольно много. Команда хорошего уровня. Были там, допустим, если мы допускали несколько потерь, зал заводил их, и они бежали и сокращали разницу довольно быстро. Хорошо попадали в свои броски, открыто и умно использовали свои моменты.
Yes, it's taken a while, but the shot's finally starting to feel better, and anything I can do to help the team. Obviously, it was a team effort tonight, and that's how we're going to win games going forward.
Great win, and one of the favorites, like in our group. Let's see, next two games, we definitely need to push and go, on the maximum, to see if we can, already, go to the next round.